A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we are going to start activity 4 of lesson number 11, money. And today we will do word problem in activity 4. So let's start with the first word problem. First word problem is Shivani bought a perfume. She bought a perfume bottle. So we are talking about bought word. So bought word, when never written, we always start the statement from cost of a perfume, or you can say money spent on perfume. Clear? That is rupees 607.50. And a birthday card, she bought a birthday card also, that is rupees 67.50. Clear? For her friend Kritika, you have to tell how much money did she spend in all. Means all word is there, so you have to plus both the amount. Clear? So let's start how we do. Firstly, in the copy you write like this manner, activity 4, then question number 1, Shivani dash all. Then you write cost of a perfume. If you want to write amount spent on a perfume or money spent on a perfume, that is also correct. But I am writing here cost of a perfume. So cost of a perfume is rupees 607.50. Cost of a birthday card is rupees 67.50. Then you have to tell how much money did she spend in on. Money Shivani spent. Now what I have to do? Plus. So 50 plus 50 is 100. So 1 will go on 7. So when it goes on 7, then you have to plus 7 plus 7, that is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 5 will come here and 1 will go on 0. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Clear? And at the end 6 left. So we are talking about cost, so rupee sign is compulsory. So you write rupees 675. So hence line will be money Shivani spent is rupees 675. Clear, students? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2 is Mr. Gupta buys an old washing machine for rupees 2095 and he spent, again you are able to see there is a written buy word. Buy means again we are talking about money, so you can start a statement from cost also, money also. So I will start from cost only, and then money spent on its repair, that is rupees 563.50. you have to find the total money spent by him on washing machine. So total word is written, so you have to do plus. So how you do? Mr. Gupta dash machine, then cost of an old washing machine is equals to rupees 2095. Clear? Then money spent on repairing, that is rupees 563.50. Then you write total money spent. For that 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. So you write here 5. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. Clear? Then 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 will come here and 1 will go as a carry on 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 will come as it is. So total money spent is rupees 2658 rupees 0.50 paisa. Then hence line, which is the last line only, hence total money spent is rupees 2658.50. Clear, students? Now we do question number 3. Raman went to a vegetable shop and bought potatoes. Again bought word is there, means we are talking about cost of potatoes, then cost of onion, and the cost of tomato is given, that is rupees 25.50. you have to spend how much money did he spend in all. Again all word is there, so you have to do plus. So you write cost of the potatoes is equals to rupees 20.90. then cost of onion is rupees 12.20 and the cost of tomatoes is rupees 25.50. then total money how you do? By doing addition. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 only. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. So 6 will come here, 1 will go on 0. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer will be rupees 58.60. Then you write hence total money spent is rupees 58.60. Clear? Now we do question number 4. Here you see Rohan had 1200 rupees in the starting. Then he bought a pair of jeans of rupees 805.75. You have to find amount left with him. Left means you have to do minus. So the money Rohan had rupees 1200. Then bought word is there. So you start the line from cost of. So see how we write. Total money Rohan had, that is rupees 1200. Then cost of one pair of jeans is rupees 805.75. Then you write money left with him. What do you do? Minus. From 0 you are not able to minus it. So you take from 2. 2 will become 1 and all these zeros becomes 99 because they will give to another 0. At the end this last 0 will become 10. Clear? So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then point will come. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9 only. Then 11 minus 8 is 3. So answer will be 394.25. As you know that this is a money chapter, so unit rupees always come. Then you write hence money left with him is rupees 394.25. There should come 2, not 7. It should be 2 only. Clear? Now we do question number 5. Ritika buys a table lamp for rupees 812.75 and gives rupees 1000 to the shopkeeper. Clear? How much money will the shopkeeper return? Here again return word is there. So what do? You will do minus. So always the biggest number come first. So firstly you write money given to the shopkeeper. Then buy word. Buy means cost of a table lamp. You will write. So see how we do. Money given to the shopkeeper, that is rupees 1000. Now in 1000 there is no paisa given, so that's why we put 2 zeros after decimal. Then the cost of a table lamp, that is rupees 812.75. Then money shopkeeper return. What do? Again all are zeros, so you take from 10. So 10 will become 9. Then other zeros also become 9 because they will give to next 0. So last 0 will be a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then 9 minus 1 is 8. And at the end what left? 1, because 9 minus 8 is 1. Clear? So answer will be 187. So you write hence money shopkeeper return is rupees 187.25. Clear? Now we do question number 6. Shishir received rupees 500 from his father. Clear? So you will write money received from the father. Then he spent rupees 210 on a leather belt and rupees 150 on a wallet. Means there in this question there will be 2 steps. In step 1 we will find out total money Shishir spent. Then from the amount which he has, that is rupees 500, from that we will minus and then we get how much money left with him. So let's see how we do. Firstly in step 1 we write money spent on leather belt rupees 210. Money spent on a wallet, that is rupees 150. Then total money spent, you will have to do plus. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Then in second step there will come a first line which is given in the question, that is Shishir received rupees 500 from his father. So you write total money Shishir has or money received from father is the same line. So rupees 500, then money she spent. This is the last line of a step 1 will come. He spent, then rupees 360. Then money left with him. What do? Minus. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. And this 5 will become 4 because it has given to 0. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Then you write, so money left with him is rupees 140. Clear, students? Now we do activity 5. This is a simple questions. You have to do simple multiply. Clear? Now you write rupees 847.50 and multiply by 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 5s are 30. So 0 will come here and 3 will go on 7. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. So 4 will go on. 4. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So 2 will go on. 8. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. So your answer will be rupees. You can put any sign. This one also and this one also, which is easy one. Then you see, after decimal there are two numbers. So we will put decimal after two number, but from the back side. Clear? Now we do B part. You write 760.85 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 50. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 2 will go on. 0. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 6s are 18. So 1 will go on. 7. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So your answer will be rupees 2282.55. Clear, students? Now we do question number 2 of activity 5. In this you have to do simple divide. Clear? So decimal we will put later on. So firstly you see how we do. 7631.20. 4 table. We write 4 ones are 4. Clear? Minus them. 7 minus 4 is 3. So take this 6 down. 4 table 36 come at 9. So you write 9 and 36 down. Minus them. Now take this 3 down because 36 minus 36 is 0. So this 3 is smaller than 4. So what you do? You take this one also down. Clear? So firstly you put here 0 because when two numbers you take together, you firstly put a 0. Then in 4 table 28 come at 7. Minus them. 11 minus 8 is 3. Take this 2 down. It becomes 32. Then after this 32, from the 32 students you have to minus 32. Clear? It will come at 8. So this will go here. 32 minus 32 is 0. Clear? So your answer will be rupees 1907.80 paisa. Clear? Like this manner you have to do divide. Now we do B part. In B part we also do like A part only. 8341.30 you have to divide by 11. 11 sevens are 77. So 83 minus 77 what come? 6. Then take 4 down. Then 11 fives are 55. 64 minus 55 is 9. So take 1 down. It becomes 91. 11 8s are 88. So 91 minus 88 is 3. Now take another 3 down. It becomes 33. So 11 3s are 33. 33 minus 33 is 0. Now take another 0 down. 11 table 0 come at 0s. So here comes 0. Now after decimal there are two numbers. So in the answer also there will be two numbers. And then you put a decimal. So you put decimal before 3. So answer will be rupees 758.30. Clear, students? So students, today you have done activity 4 word problem and activity 5 where you learn how to multiply and divide the numbers which are having decimal and rupees sign. Clear? And whenever in the word problem total all word is written, then you have to do plus. Clear? And paisa you have to write down of paisa only, and rupees one you have to write before the decimal. Clear this thing? So keep this thing in mind because we always write the digit from the back side. Clear? So I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.